Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I received this email the other day. Thought I would like to share it with you. I'll read it to you. It comes from Sheldon H. Sheldon says, I am 73. I started out with an old Schick razor and Barbasol at 15. During my 4 years with the Marines as a Navy corpsman during Vietnam, we learned to shave out in the field with just water. Have you ever tried shaving with just water? You'll be amazed what you can do when you have to. And Vietnam soldiers, yeah, they did a lot that they didn't think they could do, but they were forced into doing it. Number one was just being there. I remember I was a little kid and just a youngster. I remember being at home in Chicago, northwest side of Chicago, and hearing the news every day. And as a kid, I used to get scared. I mean, these things are ingrained in my head. All the different places, Vietnam, Cambodia, North and South Vietnam, Laos. I remember the Ho Chi Minh Trail, Mekong Delta, Phnom Penh, all those different places. They would give the reports of how many soldiers were killed every day. And that's what you hear as a child. It's kind of sticks with you. So the official number of American soldiers killed in Vietnam, 58,220. So that was a war that was really sad, and who knows why we were even there in the first place. That could be debated for a long time. Sheldon, thank you for your service, number one. You're one of the lucky ones that made it back, so consider yourself fortunate, right? I'm sure you do. And probably thank God for every day you're still here. Let's get back to shaving. He goes on to say, I have been through the agony of cartridge razors and spent 15 years with a Panasonic electric. Recently, I thought I would go back to using a safety razor. I bought a Henson for no reason except that I saw an ad on a YouTube channel. I proceeded to macerate my face. That means he tore up his face. I was using Edge cream in a can. I happened to come across your channel and have been trying again with your tips. I have barbed wire for whiskers and old man skin as thin as grape skin, meaning he cuts and nicks and weepers very easily. The best tip you gave was rinsing the razor in cold water. What an amazing difference. Now, every 6 weeks or so, when I get a haircut, the barber also gives me a straight razor shave. I never really paid attention, but he starts with a cold towel and cold water splashed on the face. So I have recently adopted the cold towel and cold water as well as a cold razor. I have a couple of different shaving creams and soaps with a bowl and brush. But the monster difference is cold water from the towel, splash, soap, and the razor. Thanks bunches for your help, as it is appreciated. But when I clear the bottom of my sideburns, landing strips, I never can seem to hear the swish noises. What might I be doing wrong? Well, Sheldon, I don't know. You might have to replace your batteries or get your batteries recharged. It seems to work okay for me. Let me see. Yeah, it seems to work okay. Get yourself some new Duracells. See what happens. All right, gents. Sheldon, thank you very much for composing this letter and sending it in. Struck a nerve with me as far as the Vietnam War, but the cold shaving is really a big difference. You can change your shaving life by shaving with cold water. If you get irritation, nicks, cuts, red bumps, that sort of thing, then try the cold water for the razor, rinsing on your face before and after the shave, and maybe even a cold water towel applied to your face before you hit it with the razor. You'll see a world of difference. Some gents will even dip their razor in a bowl of ice cubes. So I'm going to post a few videos up here along the way of cold water shaving and things to do with cold water shaving, so you can check those out and see it in action. It does make a world of difference, especially in the hot summer months, which is where we are now. We are Sunday the 3rd. Tomorrow's the 4th of July, ironically enough. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.